Installation of the new L3 Harris radios has begun, marking the future of Turnpike communications.
New radios are a multi-band radio. They can do VHF, which is the way our current system works. They also do LTE, which is a cellular system. And then they also do UHF to talk inside of our tunnels.
The goal is to install the new, safer, and more reliable system in 1,083 Turnpike vehicles before winter returns. These new radios do the work of 3 separate radios, bringing communications into the 21st century. Here's a look.
Handset is set away from the all the gauges. They're able to use it, and then they're actually able to see what channel they're on right alongside.
Blandy is pleased with the new system, which has been thoroughly tested on cell phones, handheld, and mounted radios, and will be in place soon with training on the way.
We're glad that we've been trying to do this project for over 4 years, and now it's finally come to fruition, and it's going to bring our whole fleet up to the standard that's going to be so much safer for all of our people to have that good safety communication and have that reliability that we need.